just printed out some more free printable planner kits, and I thought I would do a little haul for you guys, and let's just go ahead and get started. So the first kit that I printed out was this Harry Potter one. My printer unfortunately started running out of ink on this last page, and the colors, as you can see, are much darker. There's no good contrast here, which is pretty sad, but that's okay for this time. So this was from Victoria Thatcher. I absolutely love her website and her blog. Please check it out. It is so amazing. I cut all mine out by hand, but she only has them just cutting out by hand. She doesn't offer them with like still like cut files and things like that, so just a little forewarning before you go out there. But she has such amazing kits that I would have never expected to be free. So there's that Harry Potter one. Okay, this one was a little bit iffy. I realized that it was quite pixelated and it just started printing itself again. So I'll try to compare. For example, these two, the colors are so much darker and much crisper than here. So I didn't realize that it was printing a better version, so I ended up canceling it, and so all of this was gone. So it's fine. What I just planned on doing was to use like all of these instead of these ones, and then for this bottom I'd have to just use this. But it's so cute. It's the Fairy Frap kit. And then this is the Mermazing kit, and I adore this one as well. Like, she's holding a little dolphin, mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. That's so cute. So I really enjoy this, and I love how she has the first 3 letters of every day, and then she does a cursive on top of it. It's just so beautiful. Okay, this is the Sparkle Summer Seahorses. Oh, this is so pretty too. I don't really know what the glitter looks like compared to like maybe a more professional kit that has glitter headers or anything like that, but just from printing off from home, it looks pretty good. I really like this kit. I printed off this pink pixel graphics cleaning thing. It was very difficult because it was a zip file, and I didn't feel like getting a computer out to open it up there and then download it and print it off and stuff, so I just did it off of my phone. So I eventually got it opened, but I wasn't able to print it because it was a zip file, so I ended up taking a picture or a screenshot and then printing it off, so it is very blurry, but like it's still usable. So I don't know, I'll see about that. This is my favorite kit I think I've ever printed off. This is the Volkswagen's kit, and I love this. Oh, that's like my dream car. I really want a Volkswagen convertible. So absolutely favorite kit by far. So cute. Alright, this is from Planner One Love. This is their tumbler kit. I also really like how crisp this is. When I was first going off to print it, it didn't look too crisp, but it turned out very nice. I love the husky and those 2 pictures. It's also got a really pretty galaxy bottom washi theme going on, so I really enjoy. And it's a 2-page spread, which is my favorite kind of kit. 1-page spreads are a little difficult to work with sometimes because they don't give you much, but 2-page spreads are my all-time favorite because I do not like getting like the 4 or 5-page kit spreads because those are just too many stickers to use and I don't use up half of them. Alright everybody, so that was my little free printable planner kit haul. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!